Ki khubor ka Batesi TV ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Ki pajba nong shnong ke jela Meghalaya ki ba iet ka Jingïa ka yakop nya kali haga khat kendai terik uyayong arja pesan ki la yo alat pansaki ki sap nya kali daki nong nya kali ki bala tibet ba bat champang na keleng geri India kentup nadu ki kali arsaka bat ki kali saushaka na lor kata ki lapen iru ya ki sap nya kali dah ke balik Stunt. Ya kini kelempung nyak kali ke beratiap kumkan JK Tire Powered Indian Racing Festival, a carnival of total control. Bala pelong dah ke Meghalaya Motorsport Society ringkat ke Jingïa snok tilang bat ke Directorate General Assam Rifles Lynguh la sakilang dah Director General of Assam Rifles u Lieutenant General Vikas Kakhera u belalong kum kongsan ka Deputy Commissioner jong ka East Coast District ka kong RM Kurba ka balalong kum ka sembut kongsan u Head of Operations ka JK Tire Motorsports u Hari Singh bat kiwi hakini ke jing penisap nyak kali la pelong ha ka kut jong ka tanat Shipai Assam Rifles ka badan ha ka snong Lynguh bat la sakiru ya way na kisnar nyak kali beratip kerteng kemuba Jaden Pariat u balanya ya ka kali Formula 4 ka jing pelong ya ka JK Tire Powered Indian Racing Festival, a carnival of total control. Kamdai tang hakini ke jela Meghalaya. Hashwa jong kini ada pelong ru ha ke jela Nagaland bat Mizoram, bat shen on pelong ru sah ke jela Assam bat Sikkim.
Collaboration, which is positive and happiness, especially sports, is a wonderful thing. And Assam Rifles have been collaborating for many years to bring joy to people through various events. I'll not speak much. The weather gods have been kind now, so let's get the tires rolling and wheels moving. So I declare the festival open. I wish the spectators, especially, you enjoy the skills of the drivers. And let's have a good ride now. Thank you very much.
Well, ladies, here's the lot. Please give them a big round of applause. The IOL cars, the go-karts, the stunt bikes, the stunt balloons. Here he comes again, please stay clear and give a big round of applause. Yeah, what a run! So here comes the starters again. Batbit, Draibar, Ktem, and guys, fighters are back here in the circle. Kawasaki Lynguh. That is Batbit. You see a CBR 650cc, a Honda CBR. That is Ktem. And on the Suzuki GSX 750cc, it's from these stunts are being performed by professionals. These are seasoned professionals. Please do not try this at home or in the street. And they will be trained to do so. This is very caution. Yes, make some noise for Batbit, and Alright, our chief guest for the occasion, Lieutenant General Ktem is boarding one of the drift cars with professional stuntman and the drift king of India, Ktem. Here we go, our chief guest, Lieutenant General Ktem, on board the drift car with Ktem. Come on, give it up for the Ktem. Sekhon and Ashwin. You guys are the best that the country has. A salute, salute, salute to Sanam Sekhon and Ashwin Satyar. Formula 4 action right here.
Yeah, 4.
Ladies and gentlemen, give it up once again to the opponent, coming back to the circle. You guys follow me? Yeah, okay. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, the stunt cars are being driven by Hari Singh, Sunny Kumar and Bobby Bhogal. And guys, these are not any ordinary stunt drivers. The head of operations of JK Tires. Then we have Sunny Kumar, who is a champion biker, a rally driver, a motorsport expert and a stunt performer. Bobby Bhogal is the multi-full winner of extreme rallies, autocross and 4x4 competitions in India and across the world. I think you are not excited enough. Oh, you are? When the cars come in, please make as much noise as you can, alright? Because here they come. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for the stunt cars and the drivers. Mr. Sanam Sekhon. Once again, come on, make some noise, a big round of applause for our stunt drivers who have come from far, far away to entertain us with some motorsport action. Here they go once again, ladies and gentlemen. The roundabout only 2 weeks. Look at that! Come on, make some noise! That is Bobby Bhogal. Another car is approaching only on 2 wheels. Followed by another 2 of these cars, back to back, on 2 wheels. 4-wheel cars, only on 2 wheels. You will not see the spectacle anywhere. In the car, in front, followed by Sanam Sekhon in the car behind. Only on 2 wheels. You can see everything inside the car from this angle. Here we go, steering the car with only his stick. Guys, please keep pushing. They're the king of the drift world. Sarap Sekon. With the driver, Mr. Stunt. Once again, here is through the third in the ball once again. Taken for the country and Jingïa, especially being a local lad of Shillong. Jingïa, I think they're not making enough noise. What do you say? Come on, let's give it up, Popeye! Come on! Jaden! 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 Goal!
Pertama pergi motorsports event kami something bolong formal. Te ngile kumno ngilong kat bayah hap mo kusin beneng rum labad ong namar bakade di Sabang. Te mener hisya kaslap ni layo di lakam di no Islam yo apan sedang bang keluar ke show. And Draibar, I'm happy about all the stunts, everything went well. The crowd was very patient. Kibriu kilong kibiang haki kiai ne ki syabat ni. And klam ya mi palat ika barikit pengila buru sutunat ha nama kini ibriu bawana baru ki ong sutunat ba yo i pa kibriu yang meh ka cakap beri benyang balik peja the show. So I think so far it was a successful one. Tinggi hidang saka round 2 mentah ban should display kandiat with the the power of the engine, the fire coming out of the car kating bumi na pagi exhaust kipat bar kila pun hi kala kamlong jinjar kandiat tang ba Subyang hi baka jaka ke head laban manage ki kilapon ha kibri kibawan ti kani kalalong menta sisin ti kermen baka government kan support yang ni kermen baka jekir kan treban wan biang sisnong jom ni sa sisin namar baki bri jungi ki dan kata ka akor ke puram bakin yang dia jaka bade kim penwet ki me ti long ngirngi yai kermen ba kin sa wan biang hisa sisin na dangila bantai up yang baka government timut next year sadan be kani kawi ka round hang ni like kumni ban entertain ki